Simon Ekpa shock Nigeria government as he launch Biafra Republic government in exile official office in USA. This is happening. They say Yoruba is planning to ban Obasanjo, which is the former president, for insulting their traditional rulers in event. No be smart, you know. The secret of Mohbad them death don't finally come outside though. No be smart, you know. They say the truth of the matter don't finally come outside. A new video don't leak, and we'll go play the video here when you watch it. Okay, my people, you are highly welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe and also follow us, and then don't forget to turn on your notification bell for quick update as it is hot. And so will they drop them more. Okay, my people, we'll go ahead, go look into the Ubenge news where we'll get for hand today. They say a lot of things don't happen. Kasala don't boss and yawa don't cast. They say water don't pass Gary. No be smart thing they happen. Nowadays since so they gather say more carry and come give our people when they see what thing they happen for this world where would they. A lot of things are going on. No be smart thing. Okay, let's go and look into the update reaching our office right now. Say they say Simon Ekpa will be Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile. They say Prime Minister Simon Ekpa don launch in official office of Biafra government in exile in USA. We are going to play you the video. May you watch the moment they are trying to open the office, and we will come back and continue. They will get a lot of story to hear today. Stay tuned. No, things are happening.
Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
I will tell you that I'm so happy to be with you this afternoon on behalf of the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic of yesterday, I've been here. With the text and preparation in my hands, the jobs and the planning committee, making sure that everything is registered. I was called Mazin Kere. On behalf of the Rwanda, I want to thank you.
And the Mazin and the kind of.
I will tell everybody else, excuse. Yes, I'll be here. I'm so glad. I'm trying to go pick up them for making this possible. This house is the house of the best, and I really want to let you know that whenever you come to this house, it's not very I declare this house open. I declare this house open for the Biafran people. I declare this house for Biafrans and diplomatic everything. So, all of you, I want to wish you very good luck when you
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, the moment they are celebrating the new office in Maryland, which is United States of America. So now we see them, and as you can see, they are jubilating and they're rejoicing. So I'm going to read that one tweet by Simon Ekpa as he dropped another video and said that this is a time to hit Nigeria government hard. This is coming direct from Simon Ekpa. No be smart, you know. Now so we see him, and now we say mo bring and come give una. Mo go look into the matter of Mohbad, which is the Nigeria singer, wey die as of recently, which is the matter come dey for everywhere. They come dey talk say be like say na Laremare na I know about in death. So many things don happen, but this guy now don come outside for one video come talk say be like say they give am something wey him drink. Na that thing na dey do am before him die. So we go ahead go play you the video, make you watch it, and we'll come back, we'll continue. Stay tuned.
Another one. I have many come. Any man the drug go. Making mommy. Only got to get a okay. I mean, you come on, because then don't go move. One come. One light alone. One alone to David read me. Me, no power. Go for focus. I love you. I don't want them. On one bit, I knew. Leave me by you. If I knew she go now. If you don't love my lord. Lọ́lá àbọ̀mọ́ ló dé kí n gbọ́ gbọ́ olóògbàjà mo sẹ́ẹ̀fù sínú nínú fídíò yẹn. Mo rí gbogbo ẹ̀. Àwọn sílẹ̀ náà ní tírí. Wọ́n máa fi wọ́n sílẹ̀, wọ́n máa ní kékeré mi máa bọ̀ ọ́ lé. Ipe ó ní pé èmi máa bọ̀ ọ́ lé o. Wọ́n ní káwọn yẹn ṣì wà bẹ́ẹ̀, so wọ́n wá tweet wípé Zinoliski too. Bàtà everybody fẹ́ gbé lọ́kàn sọ pé Mohbad Zinoliski ni. Oh yeah, so give me a way
yeah, my people, as I've watched that video, for those of you who hear Yoruba well, for the little one who will understand for inside this place, and they say they give am something wey him drink, and that you will only drink that thing for inside that place. So they say that you will drink, now they do am, make God help am, make him recover. But at the end of the day, no come make am. Now waiting happen for this video, we will bring on show. Now those of you they hear Yoruba go help us more better. No be smart, you know. As they see, they say even native doctor don dey swear they give Naira Marley, and the other what is that in name again say no go better for them. And even there's update that we're about to read that now. They say more than 200 and something Nigerians have signed a petition against Naira Marley to close his record label. And so we see things are really happening for this matter, no be small thing. They say when person die alive, they no go celebrate them, and when person can't die, now they celebrate them. If you go check this guy's song now, it's almost top 4. If you go check everywhere now, only account con the trend. But when in that life, all those crowd wey follow am no follow am. So if you be part of those people wey no fit support person when that person dey struggle to grow, like as we dey bring update here now, some of you no go wan share am. But God forbid, they say this channel guys be everybody now come dey run dey find the channel dey come. No be smart, you know. Na so we see am. Most of you know wetin I dey talk. But however, we will leave am for today. May we go ahead go look into the gbonge news wey we get for hand though. They say no be small thing. Now the former president wey be Olusegun Obasanjo do to Yoruba kings and Yoruba traditional rulers. See as they do them ping pong like a primary or nursery school children. Stand up, sit down. No be small thing, you know. Some Yoruba king, Emmy and monarchy don't come outside. They come react to this act by the former president. Say this is a sacrilege to their tradition and they must pay dearly for this. We will go ahead, go play you the video before we go look into the matter more deeper. Okay, may you watch the video.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ̀yin lọ́balọ́ba orí adé, mo kí yín kú jókòó. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ wà ń bí. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ nǹkan kan. Ibi tí gómìnà bá wà tàbí president bá wà, kò sí ọba náà. Ó ní láti dìde fún gómìnà tàbí fún president. Ẹ dìde. Ẹ jókòó. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nílẹ̀ káàárọ̀ oòjíire nǹkan méjì là ń bọ̀wọ̀ fún among others age ọjọ́ orí àti ipò. Gómìnà ní ipò tójú tí ẹ ní ọba lọ nígbà tó bá ṣe gómìnà tó bá ṣe gómìnà mọ́ even nígbà tí mo ṣe president mo ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ fọba ṣùgbọ́n tí n bá wọ yàrá ọba ó dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún mi. So ẹ jẹ́ kí a gbé àṣà wa ká gbé lárugẹ.
Yeah, my people, no be small thing o. As you don watch am, the way the former president dey do his traditional rulers, ping pong, make dem stand up and make dem sit down, and this thing have drawn a lot of attention, and some Yoruba have wake up and condemn this act, say e don't have any right to insult their traditional rulers this way, and some monarchies and some Obas of Yorubas don come outside come condemn this act. They say they go give am woto as they take talk am o. No be small thing. We go leave one tweet for you for here, may you read and see wetin that monarchy of what say about concerning this thing wey happen. He say this one na sacrilege to their tradition and they totally forbid it. Hey, things are really happening. Na so former president go enter wahala with him people for this particular thing. Maybe him do am for joke or him do am for fun. Nobody knows. Those of you when they hear Yoruba very well, more na help us out and translate what the whole thing wey this man say for here. But the little one will understand, and I will carry on show una. Na so we see am o. Okay, my people. Abeg o, if you never subscribe to this channel, may you no waste time to subscribe and share this video, share our video, and leave a comment below of all the whole Gwengo news wey we don bring come give you like this back to back as it dey happen. No forget to leave a comment below. If you support the office wey Simon Ekpa open for Maryland for inside US, may you write supported. If you know say this video will still show you concerning Mohbad, concerning death, say they give am something, some of him fans, share this video. People need to see am. This thing wey Obasanjo do to him people. If you get any thoughts for inside, may you still leave a comment, share the video as well. Okay, we go see you for the next update. Stay tuned as we dey bring her back to back.